Hey everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare PDNob channel. Have you tried creating a mind map using NotebookLM only to realize you can't edit it afterward? NotebookLM is absolutely fantastic for generating structured ideas and visual content like mind maps. But once you export that mind map, especially as a PDF or image, it becomes static, locked, and frustratingly difficult to modify. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to solve that problem. We'll cover how to create a mind map in NotebookLM, and most importantly, how to edit it easily using Tenorshare PDNob. First, let's quickly look at how to generate a mind map using NotebookLM. The process is straightforward. Go to NotebookLM and open your project or create a new notebook. Upload your source materials. These could be PDFs, notes, documents, or even web links. Then, go to Studio Tools and click on Mind Map, or use the AI chat feature and type a prompt like, "Create a mind map based on this content." NotebookLM will then generate a structured outline or visual style content based on your sources. Finally, you can export the result as a PDF or download as image for sharing or presenting. The pros of this process are clear. You get fast AI-generated structure. It's great for brainstorming and summarizing, and it's easy to export and share with others. However, the cons are where the frustration begins. The exported mind maps are not editable in any meaningful way. They're usually saved as PDF or image format, which means you can't click on text to change it, and it's hard to modify text, layout, or structure afterward without starting from scratch. And this is where most people get stuck. So, what's the problem exactly? Once you export the mind map, it becomes a static file. That means you can't directly change text, you can't rearrange nodes easily, you can't add new branches or delete old ones. If you spot a typo or want to reorganize the structure, you may need to recreate everything from scratch. It's a huge waste of time. To solve this problem, you can use Tenorshare PDNob PDF Editor. It allows you to edit exported PDF mind maps and even use OCR to recognize text from images or scanned files. Here's the step-by-step process. First, download and install Tenorshare PDNob PDF Editor. Open the exported mind map PDF or image file. If it's an image-based file, like a screenshot of your mind map, the OCR feature will activate to recognize the text. This converts the visual text into real, selectable, editable text. Now, click on any text to edit, delete, or update content just like you would in a word processor. You can also add annotations, highlights, or reorganize elements by cutting and pasting sections. Finally, save the updated file with all your changes intact. The advantages of PDNob for this task are exactly what you need. Easily edit PDF or image-based mind maps without starting over. OCR support for scanned or image files means even screenshots become editable. It maintains the original layout while you edit, and it includes extra features like annotation, conversion, and full PDF editing. The only con is that it requires downloading software, and some advanced features may require the full version. Let's compare the workflow before and after using the right tool. NotebookLM is excellent for creating mind maps quickly, but it lacks any editing capability after export. So here's the complete workflow. Use NotebookLM to generate mind maps quickly with AI. Then use Tenorshare PDNob to edit and refine them easily. If you're working with AI-generated content, PDFs, or image-based documents, having a tool like Tenorshare PDNob can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort. Instead of recreating your mind maps from scratch, you can simply edit and improve them in seconds. If this guide solves your NotebookLM editing problem, please give the video a like. For a link to try PDNob, check the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.